All right, here we are, 371. Hello. Yeah. I'm making a movie, so, you know.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't come in.
Well, it's all right. Come on in.
No, you do it. I'm doing the bedroom so you can see.
All right. All right. Well, there's more room in here than there looks like.
Yeah, I think it's cute. There's something about it. I like the feel of it. It's different. And I think the electricity's up. They're doing a roof on this house, so.
Well, it looks new anyway. Why are they doing another
I
roof?
think she had a leak or something, so the roof isn't here.
Oh, did you hear that? Leak.
Huh?
Leak. Master bedroom. Oh, okay. You're going to gang up on me.
I know, the two girls, the 2 acres don't love. What a nice spot. I like the yard. Very, go ahead, peaceful.
Very interesting. Nice linoleum. Those old 70s cabinets. And 2 tiny bedrooms. Tiny. All right. Looking good.
It is cute, isn't it?
It is.
I can't find.
Hi.
I can't find lights down the bay. Nice to meet you.
Nice
I feel
to
like
meet
I
you.
know. I feel like I know you because I'm talking to you on the phone.
Is there any lights down
I
here?
can't. I was gonna say I don't know if they have.
Ooh.
I know. It's like a walkout too. I was.
Ooh.
She should be here in a second.
Ooh.
You know, I've been
Dog.
so busy today. Everyone's just come out of the woodwork. I don't know. Even post-election.
Oh. No lights.
Did you find them?
No, they don't work.
I have no idea off.
Maybe there's a switch.
Yeah,
Flip
there's probably a main or something.
that switch there.
Yeah, but it doesn't work in any of the panels either, Phil.
It doesn't work. Well, we can't see anything,
This,
Will.
this could be cute down here.
But there's
The
a
fireplace.
big basement and there's a fireplace in the
That's
basement.
neat. It's gonna be a great room.
Oh, well.
Oh, that's too bad. I know. What a
I know.
You know, I should have brought a flashlight.
All right, I'm signing off here.